walk at about 11:45. This is what the Appalachian Trail is like. It's not very wide. A lot of steps to climb. We're at around 2,000 foot elevation here. There's a road back to the valley. There's where I come from. And here's where we're going. Just got started. And there must be a couple of hundred steps here in this section. This is one of the lookouts, one of the first ones so far. We're following the ridge of this mountain, the Catawba Mountain. This might show you a little what I'm going downhill now, and it's not so far hasn't been a very hard steep grade or low grade. It's been pretty flat, just one set of steps to come up. Here's another spot just down from the other one, overlooking the valley, even a better, clearer view here. In this part of the trail, there's a little cabin area and a picnic area right down at the bottom of a little hill here. The trail goes down, then it goes back up again on the other side. And then the trail splits right here and goes down to the cabin. And I'm going to continue on towards McAfee's Peak. This is very typical of the whole trail. It looks pretty much alike all the way through, and the leaves are in full bloom. This is almost to McAfee's Peak, but a similar drop-off. Right here is a sheer drop right down. So we're getting close, but fabulous view. Got to be getting close. All these large stones on both sides of the road. Look at the size of that stone. Then looking back, that's the trail I just... "50 feet from here to McAfee's Point." I guess that's the Roanoke Valley over that way, right?
I think so.
And Catawba Valley over there. Oh, yeah. And here I am at McAfee's Knob, the famous point.
You'll warm up fast enough on
that down. The valley down there must be 1,000 feet down.
Yeah, at least. Oh. Yep.
This is the overlook from a little different viewpoint. And it just kind of drops right straight off down there. And there again is 1,000 foot down where that farm is. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit on that. The sun was shining earlier, but it turned cloudy again. I'm kind of disappointed in that. But still, it's a spectacular view. It took about 2 hours from the parking lot to get up here. That was 3.9 miles. and I'm about ready to start back again. This is the makeup. The rock overhangs and it just goes straight on down. Let's see if we can get a little good view here of how it goes. It just goes just straight on down. Okay, now it's time to return. As you can see, it's 3.9 miles back to the parking lot. And as we're going down the hill, I took a shot of one of the trees in color and different things. And it was down, pretty steep down. After we made it down to the bottom in 1 hour and 33 minutes. So it wasn't too bad. Now we're on our way back home. And the day is over.